You know what's funny about this?
You want to hit the horn?
This car, yeah. This
Here we
car is like.
All right, we ready? Let's do it. Welcome to Cars, Shops, and Collections, and welcome to my favorite spot in Las Vegas. It's Nevada Classics, and we're here simply to do a tour of their $1 million collection of cars. It's been like a month since I've been down here, and they're always adding new stuff to the collection. So I called them and said, "Will you come check it out?" And they said, "Yes." You ready? Oh, it's open. Ooh. Oh, wow, wow. Shelby. Hey, hey, hey. Gullwing. The GTO. Just an episode on this beautiful car right here. The Superbird and Super Mike.
Been a while.
How are you, buddy?
I'm good.
Cars, Shops, and Collections. Everyone remembers our favorite. This is Mike, and this is going to be a wild episode. Well, officially welcome to Cars, Shops, and Collections, Mike. Thank you so much for having us again.
You betcha.
Everyone has their happy place, right?
Yeah.
This is my happy place.
Mine too.
There really is no rhyme or reason for me being here today. Besides, I wanted to come to my happy place and look at some awesome cars and hang out with you because you and John and Isaac, the whole crew, are just so nice to me. I really appreciate everything. So I figured we can kind of do a walk and talk of the current inventory. And let's start with your Hemi Cuda right here.
Hemi Cuda, 426 Hemi, 2 4s, automatic car, 727. It's been totally redone from top to bottom. I mean, the underneath of this car shines just like the top.
Gorgeous.
And it's a good little runner. It runs good. Everyone says, "Oh, but it's an automatic." Well, let me tell you what. It'll keep them lit and keep them smoking as long as you got your foot into it. You know, until you back off, then it stops. But yeah.
It's a Hemi.
Yeah.
You know, and that's rare air, right? There's less than, what, 700 or some of these made?
Somewhere in that area, probably about 700. Okay. How many's left today?
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know.
Yeah.
You know.
Can we show under the hood?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
And you said fully restored. Lance,
totally
look inside
restored.
The inside of it too. I mean, it's gorgeous on the inside.
God, I hate pulling these hood pins, especially when they're tight.
Original radio. I mean, everything inside original.
Yeah, it's all original. Everything on this car works. Ooh. There's nothing that doesn't work. It's just.
Ready, Lance? Happiness.
But check that out. It's all engine.
Yeah.
I mean, look at where the valve covers come to, you know.
And this one's still for sale?
Yeah. And if I'm right, I think the price is on that.
Are we showing prices?
If you want.
Yeah, let's show prices. $349,000 for this Hemi Cuda, and it's worth it. You know, I was kind of close. One of 652 1970 Hemi Cuda hardtop.
What else is cool about this one?
Sublime green, too. The color's awesome.
It's got the power steering.
Okay.
To where a lot of them didn't have, they had manual brakes, manual steering, and they were like little trucks when you were moving slow. But this one's got the power steering, but the manual brakes. But it's just clean, yeah.
I love the green wheels too. The Sublime.
Oh
yeah,
yeah. Steel wheels, can't go wrong. But check it out.
Yeah,
it's just really clean. You look at all the interior, the carpet, all that stuff. It's just really nice.
The dash.
Nothing, yeah.
All right, let's keep on walking. 88 Monte Carlo
88
SS.
Monte Carlo SS. It has a 305 in it, dual exhaust out the back. Good little runner, real good runner.
Yeah, I love the red stripes all the way around.
And they took and they did a frame off on this car. I mean, they had the body off, everything. If you look up underneath it, it's just clean. It's real clean. The interior's super clean. It's an AC car, so it's got AC, cruise control, all that good stuff.
It's black, right? Not
yeah,
brown.
It's black, yeah.
And you guys just sold this one?
Yeah, we just sold it, as a matter of fact. We're just waiting for the truck to pick it up.
Let's go back to the 80s and look inside. Ready?
Check out the inside of that.
I always get excited when I open the car and the door buzzer is
Yeah.
working. And people are like, you're geeking out. It's a cool thing that it still works today.
Yeah, that means the keys are in the
Yeah,
ignition.
it means it's ready to go. The market's hot for these, right? The mid 80s to,
Yeah,
to
it's-
late 80s.
You know what'll happen is here shortly, we'll probably get 3 or 4 more people calling on it because we haven't pulled it off the website yet. But the guy's already taken and sent the money and everything else, so we're just waiting for it to be picked up. But it's a very clean little car.
Check out
When
the
you-
premium Delco sound system right there with the equalizer built in, cassette player, auto reverse cassette player.
Yeah.
You had that in 1988. Woo!
Yeah, really.
How cool were you? And here you go, Lance. You can smoke your Marlboro Reds back in 1988, because that's what you were smoking back then.
Gotta have an ashtray, yeah.
Of course, all the gauges too.
Yeah,
when we're running
yeah.
too. Like
And
as
it's
well.
got tilt wheel, it's got all
Tilt
that
wheel.
good stuff, yeah.
Passenger side mirror control right here.
I believe
Yeah, it
so.
should be right there.
And I believe this one's got front and rear sway bar too. I know it's got a front one, but if I'm right, it's got a rear one too. Because all the SS's had them. These big bodied cars, they don't lean in the turns or anything. They just track really nice. Yeah, clean little car.
Let's roll back here with our 1969 Chevelle.
69 Chevelle.
Is it a true SS?
It's a true SS. It's not numbers matching.
Okay.
Okay, but it's a big block, 396, 375 horse. It's got fuel injection on it. It's a 4-speed car. And let me tell you what, it drives, when you start driving this car, you don't want to get out of it. You just want to keep going. It drives so damn good.
We featured a lot of Chevelles. This is like the year of the Chevelle for us on Car Shops and Collections.
Yeah.
I can't get enough of it. It's
You'll
awesome.
see a lot of 69s out there now for some reason. I don't know if it's because we've got one or what, but when I get on the internet, they're all over the place.
popping up?
Yeah.
That's the algorithms telling you love 69 Chevelles.
Look at the interior on that thing.
4-speed,
Yeah.
AC.
No AC.
No AC? All right.
Nope. But it's still, it's a clean little car though. I mean, the color, everything, you know,
Yeah.
and the way it handles, you would be surprised because with the fuel injection that's on here, it winds up like a small block. It really is quick. It's snappy, you know. It's really nice. And what's cool about it, you can cruise it normal like an everyday car, but if you cruise along in second gear and you stab it, it'll just start pitching. Yeah, it's nice.
Mike's like, hold on, we're not done. Oh!
Yeah. Just clean, man. Power steering, power brakes, all that good stuff. It's a nice driving, clean little car. This El Camino is a beautiful car. It's got a crate motor, 350 in it. Automatic, 3-speed
69
automatic.
as well, right? Yeah, 69. SS?
69. It's not an SS. It's just a straight up El Camino with the SS hood on it.
Okay.
But hey, and it's got I wish the red car had striping on it like this.
Oh, yeah.
Even the red car, the red one is beautiful. This one's really clean. Wait till you see the motor in this thing.
Show us.
You're gonna go, whoa. And it's a beautiful small block. Check this out. They did that right.
Yeah.
Now look at all the pulleys. They ran all serpentine belt pulleys on it, all billet. It's just clean. It's a clean, good little car. It's a good little runner too.
Come inside, look inside the interior there, Lance. They were saying that 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge Clone Tribute. We did a full episode on this and broke this down. Awesome, awesome.
Yeah.
Sweet car.
Great, great car.
So then let's roll over to our Superbird. I can never get enough of this Superbird.
And you know what's funny? When we go to price these cars out, we'll find 10 or better on the internet to see what pricing they go for.
Yeah.
And we always put ours about 5,000 cheaper. So that way we have the lowest price one out there. This car, it drives as good as this. Look, it's got a 440 with a 6-pack on it, automatic car. But what's good about this one, they built a lot of these that were 446 packs, but they were column shift. This one has the console and the automatic on the floor.
yeah.
Yeah, just amazing, you know. And look how clean the interior and everything
Spotless.
is.
Can we see under the hood on this as well?
Yeah.
Flawless interior.
Just clean.
Yeah, 446 pack.
Yep. Got the 3 deuces on there, just ready to get out and tear it up. You know what's funny about this car?
You want to hit the horn?
This car, yeah, this
Here we
car is like. She might just like right.
Oh!
Now, this car hasn't been started for about 3 days.
Yeah.
And just to reach in and turn it, now remember, it's carbureted too.
Okay.
That's how dialed in it is. It didn't get here like that. That's just what I've done to it, you know. But it's a clean
Yeah,
little
it's gorgeous.
car.
Yeah. we can
Oh
pop the
yeah,
headlights.
yeah.
Fast.
Isn't that slick? Everything on this car works. Radio, everything, you know?
I think the pop
And
up
that-
so fast, but you
and
see
that
your buddies
horn-
driving down the road, it's gonna be pretty hard to. It's always hard to
That's
flash them real fast.
That's your typical Roadrunner horn,
Yeah.
you know?
Oh yeah, you got me on that. Yeah.
But it runs and sounds so damn good, you know?
Great vinyl top too.
Oh yeah. Listen to this thing
And this
from the
is
back.
up here. This is how you can adjust the wing.
That's
up
where
to-
you go to adjust that puppy, yeah.
Right here?
Yep. You got one on each side. Trippy, huh?
And it's high enough where you can pop the trunk with no issues, right?
Yes. It'll give you plenty of clearance.
And the wing, this wing compared to the Daytona is different, correct?
Right. What a lot of people don't realize is that the Daytona wing was a tad bit, about 3 inches taller this way.
Uh-huh.
Okay. But the bottom down here on the Daytona wing,
Yeah.
wider.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Because you remember when we had that 69 Daytona?
Yeah.
Okay. And this one is all bolted to the fender and everything, plenty of strength. Now the Daytona, it had brackets on the bottom that kind of went down to the frame to strengthen it, because at 212 miles an hour, they had about 3,000 pounds of downforce.
At 212 miles per hour.
Yeah, can you believe that?
No.
Just crazy.
I notice so it's up a little bit, huh?
It's up a little
Yeah.
bit. So what that'll do is give you a tad bit more. If you get it up around, they actually really start working when you're up over 100.
Okay.
You know? And a lot of these came with 321 gear ratio in them, which is tall gears. And what that does, that means, hey, I can get out on the highway and just scream. You know, just go, 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 without overworking the motor, which is nice. But yeah, it's a clean,
Yeah,
it's
it's one of
clean
my
little
favorites. All
car.
right, Mike, thank you so much, and thank you everyone for
Thank
watching
you
Car
guys.
Shops and Collections. A nice fun walk around Nevada Classics. Come check it out next time we're in Las Vegas. Thanks for watching.
If you want your car, shop, or collection featured on the show, then shoot us an email at carshopsandcollections@gmail.com. That's carshopsandcollections@gmail.com. And thanks for watching, and be sure and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes of Cars, Shops, and Collections.